For this capstone, with the topic of ocean acidification, I chose to talk about Florida Keys, Florida, because this area is affected directly by ocean acidification. The threat to this area is highly caused by climate change and human activity. It is a threat because the ocean acidification is increasing rapidly in the Florida Keys. Specifically, in Florida Keys, limestone forming at the reef is dissolving, which is a problem caused from acidification. In a new study from University of Miami, Rosnell School of Marine and Atmospheric Science, researchers found that the limestone that forms the foundation of the coral reefs along the Florida Reef Tract is dissolving during the fall and winter months on many reefs in Florida Keys, which they attribute to ocean acidification. That was from Coral Reefs in Florida Keys 2016. This shows how climate change and human activity are a threat to Florida Keys, Florida. This place is extremely vulnerable because of how much human activity goes on there because it is a popular vacation spot. And human activity is increasing climate change as well as already natural causes. Along with limestone being dissolved in Florida Keys behind the effect of ocean acidification, so are fisheries and marine life. Fisheries are also feeling the impacts of carbon pollution. That was from CO2 Ocean Acidification 2019. This affects not only the community of Florida Keys, but the rest of the United States as well, because they provide fish to other states. Unfortunately, for Florida Keys, Florida, climate change is predicted to continue, if not worsen, in the future, which means more damage is inevitable. Over the next century, climate change is projected to profoundly impact coastal and marine ecosystems. That was from Climate Change and Ocean Acidification 2020. Florida Keys will need to prepare and take initiative to help prevent damage to their oceans and coral reefs as much as they can, since they are in further danger. The forecasted impacts on the community is not looking good for Florida Keys, Florida. With damage being done to their coastal reefs and marine life not populating as much, this will begin an economic hardship upon this community, which they should start preparing for now. Along with coral reef damage, extreme temperature fluctuation is common with ocean acidification. The best solution for ocean acidification problem in Florida Keys is to start preventative actions in slowing down climate change. The most effective way to limit ocean acidification is to act on climate change, implementing solutions to dramatically reduce the use of fossil fuels. If we dramatically cut our global warming emission and we limit future warming, we can significantly reduce the harm to marine ecosystems. That was from CO2 and Ocean Acidification 2019. Florida Keys as a community needs to realize how severe ocean acidification is and do their part to prevent where they can. In conclusion, ocean acidification poses a big threat to Florida Keys, and human action needs to take place in order to prevent from more severe ocean acidification.